Mrs. Brown, we can have your car looking like new by tomorrow afternoon. Can I book you in?
Well, Jason, you're quite the salesman, but why should I get my car repaired here and not some other PDR place?
Our secret is, we never touch the surface of your paint.
Okay, but what is that noise in the shop?
That's just Joey Trailer. Not touching the surface of a car.
Does Joey use a jackhammer?
Ha ha ha, you're very funny, Mrs. Brown. He's using a secret technique to shrink dents. Joey is a highly skilled technician. Not like the Dent Gorilla on 27th Street or the Dent Monkey at the Chevrolet dealership.
Okay, Jason. Go ahead and schedule me for a repair. I wouldn't want to monkey around. Ha 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 ha.
Ha 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 ha. It's like a jungle around here.